How to enable automatic deploys from GitHub in Lovable. So in order to do that, first head over to lovable.dev and then in your Lovable editor, locate and click on the GitHub button. You can find it by going over to the workspace that you're currently working. I haven't here this, so let me head over and open it. Once you have opened this particular option right here or this particular design that we have, you can just click on this GitHub option. In this way, you can see that this will open the sync your project to GitHub option. So click on this, click on the disconnect GitHub, and then you'll be redirected to the GitHub to authorize this. So click on the disconnect project. You can see that I already have my connected account, but if you don't have one yet, just head over and connect it by clicking onto this part right here. Once you're done, click on the disconnect project option and choose in here your GitHub organization. You can connect a new one or you can just choose the already one that you have. And as you can see, it's now connected. The GitHub repository is now under this particular account. Now in here, you can just head over and then you can view your repository in order to create a new one. And you can see in here that it will sync automatic deploys from your GitHub and Lovable on both sides right here and edit that if you would want. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.